Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Shira Renee, and if you want to listen to what I have to say, then stay tuned.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. No, you want this yummy, yummy all in your tummy. Level up, level up, level up, level up, level up.
I'm really excited today to be shooting a video. I haven't done a video in a while now, and doing this like little pandemic that we're having, it's just been a little frustrating, stressful, and just trying to get everything back rolling like how it was before the pandemic happened. It's just been a little different, but I'm getting there, and I'm planning on posting way more videos after the end of my semester, which ends next Tuesday. So as of next Tuesday, I will have my bachelor's degree in psychology and sociology. Yeah, it's a big deal, and I'm really excited to be done with school. I do plan on going back to get my master's degree, but that's just a whole nother topic for a whole nother video. Today I am making a video because I wanted to do another hair review on some hair that I purchased myself, and it's a little different for me just because the hair is blonde. Yes, you heard right, it is blonde, and I wasn't sure whether or not to get blonde just because of how my skin complexion. Don't get me wrong, I love my skin complexion, but I just wasn't sure whether to get blonde just because I never tried it before. So today's hair review will be about Julia hair, and this is their box here. If it'll focus, yes, there we go. So you guys already know that I use 4 steps when checking out hair, just to technically grade it, or just say if it's up to par as for me wearing it. So yeah, we're gonna get right into those steps. So, the first step is packaging. So I have a blue box here that says always keeping young and vitality. There we go. And it also has their scan code as far as Instagram and YouTube. And then on the back of the box, it has tips for 100% hair lace wigs, which is just giving you instructions on how to keep up with your hair as far as washing goes, and as far as tips and tricks. I really do love that they incorporate this into their packaging, just because some hair companies, like I know AliExpress companies, sometimes don't have it there. So as far as packaging goes, for the outside of the box, I'm loving it. On the inside of the box, we have the wig, which I will get into soon, well, right after this. And then we also have a wig cap, which I love when hair companies send wig caps, just because that means I don't have to go to the beauty supply store to get it myself. So I have a wig cap that looks like it has 2 caps on it. And then also in the box we have it looks like an elastic band. I'm trying to open it. Okay, here it is. Okay, so right here we have yes, oh my gosh, and it's an adjustable elastic band. That is like that's really neat. So I'm guessing what you'll do is attach this here, and then I just dropped another piece. Yeah, okay, that's cool. So you attach the pieces and they will adjust it for you. That's really neat. I have never seen this before. So as far as packaging goes, I'm going to go ahead and give them a 10 out of 10, just because they didn't send it just in like one of the little polyester or whatever mailing bags that people usually ship their packages in hair in. So I'm going to give them a 10 out of 10. So next we're going to talk about shipping. I ordered my hair on, give me 1 second so I can give you the correct dates. So when I ordered my hair, it was April Okay, so I ordered my hair on April 27th, and I got my hair that following, where is it? The calendar. So I ordered my hair on April 27th, and I'm guessing due to like with the coronavirus and shipping and holding, I got it yesterday, which was May 1st. Hold on, wait. Yeah, May 4th. So I ordered my hair on April 27th, which is right there, and I got my hair on May 4th, which is just 1 week. I find that extremely fast, especially with what's going on right now. I know a lot of companies' packages have been delayed or held at like shipping posts due to the virus. So for shipping, I'm gonna go ahead and give them a 10 out of 10 as well. So now we can go ahead and move on to the hair itself. And this test or qualification I'm looking at next is shedding. So as far as shedding goes with blonde hair, I don't know. I don't know how bad it sheds or how much it sheds or anything like that. So I'm just going to be seeing. I did order a 20, I want to say this is a 24-inch wig. It's a, oh, 22. Okay, it's a 22-inch wig, and it is $613. So it did come in a plastic bag, which I do like, surrounded by a hairnet, which I appreciate as well. And then let's go ahead and take it out. Y'all, I am so scared. I am so scared. If you guys have the same problem as me, as worrying about hair colors and whether or not they'll work on you, drop a comment in the comment section down below, just so I can make sure that I'm not alone with that. So I'm going to go ahead and pull some hairs. Well, try to straighten it with my hands. I literally got like 2 strands. Can you see that? 2 strands, that's not bad. Especially, well, I'm not sure if blonde hair tangles like crazy, or if yeah, I'm just not sure. And I am just trying to smell the hair as well. It smells good. It smells really good. I didn't expect it to smell good. I always open hair and expect a like chemically smell, or bleaching or processing. Maybe that's the smell that or the word that I'm looking for. And it doesn't smell like that. Okay, so for shipping, for shredding, since I did get a couple strands out, I want to give them a 9. I don't want to give them a 9 just because I got 2 strands out, but you guys tell me what I should give them. Just because I got 2 strands out, I'm not sure. I'll give them a 10. I'll give them a 10 because, and now I'm not getting any hair, so yeah, I'm not getting any hair, so I'm gonna give them a 10. I'm gonna give them a 10. And oh my gosh, look at this. This hair is beautiful. I'm super excited now. I'm not sure what color I'm going to color it, but you guys will see that in one of my next videos, me coloring the hair and stuff like that. As far as the lace goes, I'm looking at it, and I'm pretty sure I don't have to bleach the knots just because the hair is blonde. You can correct me if I'm wrong, but the actual lace front itself, it is pre-plucked, so it doesn't look like I'm going to have to go in and do that, which is a blessing because I hate doing that just because I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm checking out the hairline. Can you guys, I'm trying to get the baby hairs back so you can actually see. Can you see that? Yeah, this is really good. I'm loving this. I can't wait to install this. I'm going to post that video as well. So it looks like I don't have to worry about that, which is good. And yeah, I'm loving this hair. I can't wait to install it. Okay, so next I'm talking about longevity, which I will be posting a video once I install the hair and wear it for a while, just so that you guys will know how long it lasts and if you're gonna be wasting your money, which I honestly don't think so. I'm really loving this wig. It comes in a middle part, which is pre-plucked as well. It looks like I just have to lay down the hairs. Can you guys see that? Come on, camera. I don't think you can see it, but you guys will see it once I install it. But I am loving this, and it looks so much longer than a 22-inch. Oh yeah. Okay. So that is honestly it as far as the hair review initial hair review goes. I will be installing this hair. I'm thinking about coloring it red because I have some hair dye in I have hair dye here already that's red. So I think I'm gonna do that today. I think I'm gonna end this video and go ahead and jump right into the other video. So what else did I want to talk to you guys about? Oh, Mother's Day is right around the corner. It is next Sunday. Well, this upcoming Sunday. I am having a sale, buy one get one free on all items on my website, which includes all pieces of jewelry, which you guys are seeing here. That includes all my lashes. It includes literally just about it includes everything that I sell. So you can get free glasses, free lashes, eyeshadow pigments, literally everything that I'm selling, I'm doing buy one get one free. If you use the code M as in Mary Day 20. M Day 20 is the code to get buy one free. Guys, go shop. Help me help you. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave some comments down in the comment section, and I will get back to you guys in the next video.